welcome back to the channel.
Today we're going to give you a house tour here in our Airbnb in Chimaltenango. December 15, 2020. If you've been following us, you know that we traveled last year from San Francisco to Guatemala with a connecting flight in Mexico. Due to the current situation, we had to follow certain protocols and guidelines during our entire travel. We stayed for a night in Mexico and flew in the morning straight to Guatemala.
Bienvenidos al Aeropuerto Internacional de Guatemala.
From the airport, we took a taxi straight to our Airbnb in Chimaltenango. It's about 21 miles away from the capital city and 11 miles away from Antigua, which is the famous tourist destination here in Guatemala. We are lucky to have found a place to stay in the middle of two cities that are most important to us. And this accommodation was just perfect for our small family. Come on in! And today we are going to give you a house tour of our Airbnb.
This Airbnb that we booked has one bedroom, a living room, kitchen, and the best of all is a laundry room, which is kind of hard to find here in Guatemala, in my opinion, because I haven't really used Airbnb here, but I'm assuming that not all of them have personal laundry room.
And of course, a private parking spot. Right after you enter the door is the living dining room. There's a convertible couch which is very useful for us, especially we have a toddler. She uses it all the time when watching TV and when she's doing her schoolwork. There are two big windows on the side of the door, which is very nice for ventilation. And facing the couch is the 32 inches TV which has cable and connected to the Wi-Fi attached below it. On this space, we put our sanitizer, masks, and our hats. This is where they put the Wi-Fi router, cable box, and the safety alarm too. Facing the front door upon entrance is the wooden dining table with 6 wooden chairs. It's simple and cute yet very functional for us. So this is the bedroom. We have the twin bed, which is just enough to fit us three. It's kind of hard to move, but it still works. If ever you're 6 feet tall, you will need a bigger bed like this. But for us, it works perfectly. We got 2 lamps on the side. As you can see, there are 2 nightstands on both sides of the bed and 2 lamps, which is just a touch to turn it on. And we have this beautiful headboard. I think they call this headboard. It has the fabric, the traditional fabric they weaved here. It adds up to the character of the room.
And on the left side of where I'm pointing right now, you're gonna find a mirror. Throughout the entire house, the flooring is tile. So the house really did a great job in putting these carpets so that your feet don't feel cold whenever you get out of the bed. So it really helps a lot. So in the bedroom, you will also find a very useful wooden shelf, which we are using for our stuff right now. They have like a hanger over here, which allows you to hang your stuff, such as jacket, like us now.
So the room only has a ceiling fan. It doesn't have an air condition. It doesn't have a heater as well. But the weather here is perfect. It's not super hot, especially during this season. It's the cold season here.
Okay, so now let's go to the kitchen. Come on.
So this is our kitchen. Most of the time I do cooking every day to lessen our expenses. We just buy our ingredients outside and cook here. This kitchen has a very modern style, from the shelves to the appliances. And the bathroom is right here. It has a shower with hot water, a small sink, and these towels are provided by the host. Next to the kitchen is the laundry room, the washer and the dryer, and next to it is the pila, the traditional sink here in Guatemala where you can wash anything by hand such as dishes or clothes. Above it is the cabinet for extra bed sheets and comforters. Next to it is the door going to the parking. I hope you guys enjoyed our Airbnb house tour here in Chimaltenango. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe on our channel, ring the bell so you will be updated for our next videos, and see you guys on our next episode. Bye!
Bye!